Okay, we have a TRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill, model DPMSX2, serial number 062 CR14492. Machine was new in 2006. It has a Southwestern Industries ProtoTrack SMX control. You have 3-axis, again, CNC. The quill also, when you move, it does the math, has a scale on the quill. It has hardened and ground ways. These are dovetail. It has an R8 spindle. We're going to run it for you. That's your X. You have a 9x49 table with 32 inches of X. You have 16 inches of Y. And I believe you have 27 of Z. Great. And also, again, when you move the quill, it will change the math on the screen as well. So either when you move the head or the quill, it does that. All right, we're going to run the head. It's variable speed like a regular Bridgeport.
So in the low range.
We're in the low range right now. Now we're going to switch to the high range. Machine's nice and quiet. You have also your way covers on the machine. You have automatic lubrication system. Machine also has that handle. Angel, can you show them that the remote jog hand? Oh, that too. It's the handles for the. You can operate the machine with the handles, and there are ball screws on those axes. You also have that remote jog switch. Remote go switch. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.